ebusu no kopemu e wo Kasoa ende anopa yi dia na kire se in some ways wo Kasoa nya anopa we no enya asem ketua me ne wo ka se dia kopemu e wo Kasoa NDC Zongo from wo Kasoa ese omo send warning e dia ma Sammy Gyamfi ene omo MP eye Naa Koryor se bosha odi hye omo no bosha we di hye omo no so one man be fole one man be for failure sorry so one man be for failure sa bosha na I no from Jobel I no from here so one man be for failure sa bosha na odi hye omo na omo say Kasoa dey need obi nim say I said that na so omo hye that da ho name omo no say around ne there Kasoa will be unbearable. Kasoa will be unbearable. Omo say, in a moment Kasoa no, ebusuya ebese woni ense o ka kire. And they almost say, chaos. Any name on Bayo Kasoa no. Kasoa for Kasakra no bomb and some mamma. And ye, Kofune to Mubu for ye papa. Man ba kukura de was send ba. O church no say da. No, church na tade say. Da. And I was say NDC ba. Ubenye adwuma ye no. Ama ba nso komo de wunya adwuma anye ntimi pon nidi. Abda ba pana fele. Ebusuya. Omo de ntama to de nkoku tin nsem a. NDC youth mo Kasoa. Na to de anima de wi a. Ya ba kire adwuma ho. Haya Ghana nsem TV. Edi ameje so any promise. Yembo wure ne kotie nsem a. Omo de atudwa no embra.
In the school feeding by ya ma omo ni ebimu ena ache. Ena omo ye adwuma no. Obi wa owo yemu ye pai ni ti during election. Ye nua baako ye di tuo di nechi me kasa me ye botuo 3 times e wo meti so nti sinka me wu a nka chese mayen kwose wu se mo amba down am be ye bibi e bia Kasoa mo be ka se di ase dada ade a ye be ye no e be san ye di mboni
Sammy Gyamfi ni card ni so ata se hwe ni no mani ne go chiri me dis crash in the office say o crash ejuma ne aye manasi wanya bebiti tinu ebe ya anka misu yempa be information o se on to me bua me tell me ba on ni muhwi ya owo ifidu otibe e papa anya una se ndisi baba ejuma no na osre mi ya mi ba de asre mi fie no ti wu ka mo se fie met me atra
national security abakuro mu anu ya ye din ya ye se yente ye yate akosho obi munsa enyo obi ada roman ka ye shimi dan ka ho na the party aba me dan want fi MC ni bodyguard a odi nechi on kan kire me say wonye MPP ni akwala cross carpet no bae 2016 2020 oka wo mu a mu ba odupanpe bebu ye bra na okasa after me no torik oka wo ye ma awokum si ma ko bu ye nua awu torik ye bra peni no
enti ebusuya Kasoa youths and ase Kasoa NDC Zongo for and actually say omo de omo ha oni omo ma na nyina beto Ghana fo anim a omo kire say Bosha Sam George that be Sammy Gyamfi gold board yes gold board CEO Sammy Gyamfi de show omo and after omo kasa omo MP Naa Koryor de show omo no omo say David omo say David enya de a wa for feel omo say nsem pa omo ka kire omo no they were expecting say by this time and komo nya adwuma ni bi ye omo say omo shi omo boss omo ba national security omenye biaye and there constituent wan kasa kura ne nyu omo fa no omo fa omo bi and the boss anke say a kire say omo shi omo no e mo munya enida asuo bi say anye hwe no omo party ba mo nya diduanye di omo nya tade ahye not knowing say eye 419 omo say no mo nim say 419 no mo nim dabi they never knew say it was all political campaign politics no no bi na no mo ka kire omo na omo say omo de ba say yenye etutu asem ne yenye sanema na mo nim say omo de omo ye expert na Kasoa din no obi ani say Kasoa din de ye body na obi ani say etutu asem headquarters ani wo na omo say if care is not taken Kasoa din no say asai akodu say ya ombe ni say asai aduru say ya ombe ni say na che say they are threatening to cause a year basa e wo Kasoa a che say busuya me no ka say die aye asem kese a Ghana fo ne bi ebusa say mi mebusa say omo busa me say mi da bia omo ka che say mi mebusa on their behalf say 24-hour economy 24-hour economy John Dramani Mahama Excellency Ghana man penini e promise here during campaign time na mo se me bebusa say aden eno so eyezu ana eno so beans almost say John Dramani Mahama e promise say one job 3 shifts te job ba ko nipa me ensa na beye ba ko kwa no pa 8 hours no akwa ewia 8 hours ma akwa so akwa na do 8 hours am promise say mo ba obia be nyeduma ye obia be didi obia be fili benze almost after the abani saying and I'm about power up till now 24-hour economy no muntimi nyaye oho pe and majority leaders say hey massa 24-hour economy ne dey if say what to what train say the BB ba parliament abe pass say BB the 24-hour economy there and dem forget because there was nothing like that on Monday ba and the other 2 January na Ghana for say hey naturally say sansa na okani na no you were lying to us now what do you want majority than one kana okay you we dey think some of the two see majority leader and some of the two the fact 24-hour economy see ATM la ebusunya 24-hour economy no aye beans me no can say the majority leader Mahama Ayarigas men kan kire wo say wo twen say NDC aban e dey bill be parliament friend say 24-hour economy na mo de Ghana sika e be ye na wonya adwuma ye de a and the sound nipa no wa bodam tiensem a o de tudwa.
Let me assure you that it is not the idea of government to take public money and invest in something called 24-hour economy. No. So if you are waiting for us to bring you a document in Parliament say we are taking so much money to invest in 24-hour economy, you won't see it. The whole idea behind the 24-hour economy is create the enabling environment for the private sector to be confident to invest and run the economy 24 hours. And so you are looking at an entire value chain from the issue of land. How do you access lands for, let's say, large-scale commercial agriculture? From the issue of how do you build the infrastructure for irrigation, for large-scale commercial agriculture? How do you ensure that there are roads leading to the farms? Many of these things are matters that...
All right, ebusunya. Impenifuwa si ochamia onim asemka osnana wasumwa. Wede muama tibi. Or say this government, the National Democratic Congress, NDC government, or wabayamono. 24-hour economy, your promise was say 1 job, 3 shift, 133 no. You know, I could pay me and Sabe, no more run 3 shift, no. Or some country will say, and yeah, dear, the government of the Republic of Ghana, Eddie Bibia Bisa Eba. Now, say, I don't know what's my video can. For the 24-hour economy, not any foam coin, and once I'm no can. I don't see the 24-hour economy, no, intra, or the bed that Obeji will vote, send a bay, what dream work for Muntin, or Becca, same you, himself, some no catch on, and yeah, dear bay ye. The moment I'm say Ghana, your Maya, say, Pedro, and Nipa do Nankasa, you know, for Nintino, rather that our Jew vote, and no, and then the wire, or the Jew vote, or some country will say 24-hour economy, not so to about NDC, and the a zoo. Now what you saw comment section Nemo said Eyeza Aza intro John Dramani Mahama aka John Bosco Abain. South here. It's majority that no. Majority. On the Kasa you know leader, majority leader. There are 24 economy days, I beans. The youth no, or something can tell us. But I don't know what is wrong with you people. So this one that you came out to come and tell us, no, what do you want us to do? Boga, keep quiet and suffer, eh? Keep quiet and suffer. Eyezu. Why? That's what you guys said. You said Eyezu. You thought you were doing us. You thought you were doing us. Not knowing it's another way. And then so on. This is just the beginning. How you Ghana and TV, we didn't just so any promise. But that's so young to bossy. Now share me.